exchange of information using various mediums. For example, speaking and writing. But today we are going to only talk about speaking skills. Hi everyone, I'm Namita. Welcome back to my channel, and today's topic is how to improve your communication skills. I think this is the most discussed topic and this is the most needed topic, especially in a country like India where we have a lot of languages. So sometimes communication can be a little difficult when language is a barrier. So today we are just going to talk about speaking, and let's take English for an example. I'm not going to pick up any other language because many people struggle with speaking in English fluently. And the first thing that is always being told to you is that read. Now the thing is what to read and how to read in order to just make yourself fluent or make yourself communicative. So the first thing that you need to do is pick up something that interests you. People will tell you that pick up newspaper, but do you really find a newspaper interesting which is full of negative news? Pick up something that is of your interest. It can be a Chetan Bhagat novel, it can be a Nancy Drew, what you really like to read. It can be a Mills and Boons also. So pick up something that you really enjoy reading. Pick up only that area which is of your interest. So when you have a book in your hand or whatever content that you want to read it loudly. Make sure that your voice is getting into your ears. When you hear yourself speaking properly, every sentence is coming out of your mouth and you hear yourself speaking, you feel confident. Keep reading every day, keep reading. And then you will see that after a few days, at least it will take a month or two when you're reading continuously and your ears are used to hearing you speak in English, speaking full sentences, because whatever is written has no mistake. When you speak, you make mistakes, but whatever is written has no mistake. So you will be very confident when you are just reading. So read loudly, make yourself hear that voice, and then see the magic. Now the second point, when you have actually got some command over reading, now is the time when you have to start practicing. When you have to actually speak, because we are talking about speaking, we are not talking about reading. So speak in front of a mirror. Speak to yourself, because initially we are a bit hesitant to face other people. Speaking publicly is not that easy, but speaking to yourself can be a little easy. Speak in front of the mirror. Speak all the time to yourself. Whatever you're doing, whether you're cooking, whether you are bathing, whatever you're doing, just keep speaking to yourself. When you are talking to yourself, then you actually get a hack of speaking and you slowly and gradually start speaking full sentences correctly. Now the third thing, when you have started to take baby steps towards speaking, call customer care. Now, these days, everything is happening online. So if it is related to your previous shopping or you want to buy something, just call customer care. Related to your mobile phone, wherever, just call customer care and start talking to them in English. You can place some orders, the food delivery orders on your own. If someone else was doing it in a group of your friends, start placing those orders, talking to Domino's people, talking to McD people, because they generally talk in English. So this is a very good step that you can introduce to yourself initially. If you start talking to these people, your initial hesitation will be removed. You might come across a lot of people who have an accent. See, let me tell you that accent is not a proof of good English. It generally happens when we listen to a lot of Western stuff or we watch a lot of English movies and that. So you don't need to have an accent, and then you don't need to have a very complicated vocabulary, a very hi-fi English. You don't need to have it at the beginner's level. So you can use a very simple vocabulary. You can keep your sentences short and precise to start with. There are always levels, so you can always go upwards and you can always upgrade your English. But to begin with, keep your vocabulary simple. You don't need to have an accent, and keep your sentences short and precise, and we can always keep working for it to build up fluency in a better way. As we are talking about only English language today, so I would suggest to you to at least learn the basics of this language or whatever language. When you are trying to have a command over your communication skills in a particular language, you need to learn the basics of it. The basic grammar or the basic sentence formation. This helps. If you know a little about it, this helps to build up your communication skills. I don't know why everyone is so scared of making mistakes. everyone makes mistakes. It is just that we have to work on one or the other area. For example, suppose you are a cook. So there is no one around you who can cook like you do, but you have to work on your communication skills. They are not that good. So what is it? I mean, there might be another person who is speaking really well but cannot cook like you. So we have to just keep working on various skills. We have to tell ourselves that it is okay to make mistakes. It is just one area where we need to work on. So the moment we tell ourselves that, we automatically feel confident. So don't dread to make mistakes. Keep making mistakes and keep learning. There is nothing wrong in making mistakes. So this was all about communication skills. I will come up with more such videos for you all. If you like this video, hit the like button. You can consider subscribing and I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.